Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So, what I am bringing to you is this tumbler that already has the cheetah print on it. So, I have been asked, can you epoxy over these? How does it work? So I thought that I would get some and try. I got some rainbows and I got this cheetah print. Now this has, as you can see, it has a shiny surface to it. I did clean it with denatured alcohol, but I didn't want to sand it because the whole point is this cheetah print. So what I am going to do is just put a little bit of glitter on it. Now, if I were using this cup, and which I will because they came in a set of 4, and that was the only way you can buy them. They weren't super expensive. I think they averaged like $8 a cup, but you could only buy them in a set of 4. So when I use them next, I will probably only keep the cheetah like maybe with the name. So like I will put a stencil of the name and then do everything else. However, for this tumbler, I wanted to have some glitter, have some decals, but then I wanted to have a large amount of the tumbler showing also so that we could see how the epoxy does over it because it is a very shiny surface. Now, I used Mod Podge to put this glitter on. This is again the Night Fury. I know you've seen me use this a lot recently, but I really love this black. It's my favorite. I use Mod Podge to put it on because this is a really shiny surface and I wanted something thick that I knew would hold the tumbler. Now, initially I thought that I was going to kind of leave it here and let it be a little bit see-through under the black, but once it dried, I changed my mind and I did go in and just put a second covering over it so that you know, because I don't believe that I show that to you. So here, I'm just kind of touching it up a little bit. And then putting some Mod Podge. Now, the other thing is I sealed the glitter on here prior to putting it on the turner. I sealed the glitter and I used Mod Podge spray. So I like to use a similar product. That's just my weird thing. And if I don't seal it with regular Mod Podge, but I use Mod Podge, then I seal it with Mod Podge spray. That's just kind of my thing. I chose to use the spray really because of the shiny surface. I just wanted to make sure it adhered well. All right, so this has the first round of epoxy on it. Now, I did go ahead and put some decals on it prior to the first round of epoxy. I did, want to see how that would turn out. And since it's a nice flat surface, I could do so. And the first round of epoxy actually adhered really well. There's a couple small little dimples, but not like I expected at all, to be perfectly honest with you. So on these cheetah print cups like this, I really do, I don't know what it is, but I love seeing flowers and lots of bright colors and hearts and stuff like that. So I just did this cup all up. And now I'm going in and just adding some sunflowers to go along with what I have already on the tumbler. I did my name. I printed that on my Cricut and put it over the glitter. And I'm just going to add a bunch of decals and really do this tumbler up. And then I'm going to put it back on the turner and we'll see how it turns out. All right, so here is my finished tumbler. So cute. I myself, I mean, I know everybody's taste is different, but I think it's really cute, this tiger print, and then just having like some bright color stuff on it, like the heart and the flowers. So again, these decals I did not cut with my Cricut. These decals came from some of the Dollar Tree stickers that I've, just picked up and collected. And then the sunflowers, I've used them on so many different things. I love these sunflowers. And I only have a few left actually that I'm getting ready to use on another project I'm working on. But I got these from Hobby Lobby. And I do actually need to see if I can find some more because they're just so pretty. And I don't know if you can see, but they have like this really nice little gold in the center. And I know I can print sunflowers very easily, but I just love this gold foily look in the center. And when you use a coupon or get these on sale, because Hobby Lobby has their stickers on sale all the time. So I definitely need to get some more because I only have a few left. But this turned out really cute. So the one thing I will say, I think that I might end up this is for me, so I'll probably put it away for a while, and because I've got a lot to do, and then come back and put another coat on it. I wanted to try using this pre-colored tiger. I've had a lot of people ask about it, but the one thing I will say is, because you can't really sand it good, you don't want to, remove your little tiger stuff here. You need to go really slow with your epoxy. So because this is a just slippery, smooth surface, make sure that it is cleaned with the natured alcohol really good right before you put it on and dried. And then with your epoxy, you just want to go in just really light, thin layers, because it's easy to get divots when the surface is so smooth, because you'll have little places where the epoxy doesn't want to stick. So this is a really, nice idea to be able to get your, a nice tiger cup out that looks good. Do it easily. So, these tumblers, they came in a pack of 4 on Amazon, and I think it averaged to about $8 a piece, which is about average for, a skinny tumbler. But, of course it already has the tiger on it. So I got a couple just tiny little divots here. So I'll have to go just one more just light layer over top of it. And, that's the thing with these. You have to be able to build your epoxy. So this is 2 light layers right now. But again, it's not a lot of epoxy because I've done super light layers on it. So I'll do one more light layer eventually, just to kind of get rid of the divots. But otherwise, they do turn out really, really well. And I thought it was super cute. And, for me, like, I really like this bright, funky pink on the tiger print. I think that it's, just super cute. A lot going on in it, and I know it's not everybody's thing, But, you know, if you love this type of fun tiger print color, I think it turns out really cute. So yes, I would definitely do, you know, the pre-made tiger print if you're, you know, wanting to do them a little quickly. And there's a lot you can do with this. So I like it. I call it my Carol Baskin cup. All right, well, listen, I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. Thanks, friends. Bye.